那就把词尽量往中间滑啊，尽量往中间。Hi, I'm Cici Tao here from Holtop, China. Today, I'm not here to talk about the Holtop brand new project. So, watch on. We have this live show in our comfortable office in Guangzhou Overseas Market Center. So, I'm hoping that you are staying safe and healthy in these uncertain times. And we know how badly the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted our lives. And regardless of where you come from, our lives are definitely impacted. And no matter you are a contractor or you're a business owner, now it's time for us to start working together and rebuild our lives back. So today I'm going to show you one of our top-rated energy recovery ventilation unit, and it's the EcoSmart HEPA ERV. So if you are a business in the HVAC field, you may already feel that the mechanical ventilation equipment has a very huge potential all over the world, especially in Europe, right? For both the new construction and the refurbishment. So during our live show today, if you have any questions or you want to know more about Holtop and our product, so please make sure you already follow us and to get more information. Well, don't forget to message our customer service if you'd like a copy of the catalog, or you can leave a message down below, or you can send us an inquiry directly with your questions. And if you place an order during our promotion period, you will get a special discount. And if you enjoy our live show today, so please give us a thumbs up. Yes. Okay, our live show today will last for about half an hour. So please stay with us, okay? Now, let me show you something about the EcoSmart HEPA ERV first. And if time available, I will show you some tips of how to choose ERV qualified ERV supplier. Okay, so let's look at the unit. This series is suspended type with the outside insulation. The insulation foam is outside of the unit. So this is here is the supply air. The air will absorb in here. Yes, I can feel it because it's running now. And here is the supply air, the return air, and exhaust air. The two air streams came across at the cone here with the temperature and the humidity difference, and they are not touching. So then the energy recovered. There are some other features that are very unique, so let me show you one by one. Firstly, all series are equipped with the G3 primary filters. There are two pieces of the filters. These filters are washable, and it also has a PM 2.5 filter. The grade is F9, and the PM 2.5 filtration efficiency is up to 96%. So it's able to filtrate the PM 2.5 and dust, bacteria in the supply air. So this can ensuring the cleanness of the air. Besides, it was built in our high-efficiency enthalpy heat exchanger. The latent is total heat exchanger. It's both for heat exchange and moisture exchange. This core was made of ER paper. During the exchange, only the small diameter moisture molecules can pass through it. Well, the bigger diameter molecules like the harmful gas can't pass through it. And it's also fire resistance, antibacterial, and mold prevention. Right. And thirdly, these series are equipped with the brushless DC motor. One is at the supply air side, another one is at the exhaust air side, the two pieces. So 10-speed control is very suitable for most of the project's air volume and the external pressure requirements, like the schools, the offices, the hospitals, etc. Yes, compared with the AC motor unit, it can reduce the electricity consumption by up to 30% per year. Well, I believe some of you already noticed an interesting item here on the access door. This one is the pressure switch alarm. It's mainly to monitor the PM 2.5 filters, the cleanness of the PM 2.5 filters. When the pressure difference, the pressure difference of the two sides of the PM 2.5 filter is higher than the setting value, because here we can set the pressures of the pressure alarm, yes. And when it's higher than the setting value, then this switch will transmit a dirty filter signal to the control system. Then a filter alarm symbol will show on the control panel to remind the end user to replace these PM 2.5 filters. And fourthly, the ERP 2018 have the regulations. They requires all balanced ventilation unit should have a bypass function. So there is a bypass damper channel here built in the unit at the return air side. So in the summer or winter, the bypass system will close for energy recovery. While in the spring or autumn, when the outdoor air temperature is comfortable and cool, the bypass system will open for natural ventilation and free cooling. So this series can be controlled by the touchscreen intelligent controller. Yes, it's working now. Also the PM 2.5 filters. So when the running time exceeds the setting time, when the pressure difference, the outdoor temperature to control and open or close bypass damper at the return air side. So this usually happens at night. The external system will send a signal to the bypass system humidity sensor. There is higher than the setting value, the unit will run at a high speed. It's similar like a CO2 control system. And like the defrosting heater control, electrical at the OA side to preheat the air before it entering the heat exchanger. This kind of way can prevent the frosting. And like the working condition monitor, there are a running signal output here, running air, running signal output. They are near here, this one and this one, and they can connect it at the PCB board, so a customer can use this output signal to monitor the running status of the ERV unit. Moreover, this series can interlock with the air conditioner systems, and external device can connect with the external here. This one, can you see that? Yes. It can connect with the external switch connector. So this connector like an on and off switch for this ERV unit. So once the external device, like the air conditioner, is on, and to make the external switch closed, then the ERV unit will automatically. What's more, it was built in the RS485 connector here. This one. If a very project has the BMS system, so you can use the BMS system to control the ventilator as well. Okay, the last main feature is our new Wi-Fi function. You just, here is the here. This one is a Wi-Fi modular, yes, and I will show you the. So you just need to download an app. Let me show you the app. This one. Let's open it. Yes, now it's already connected. So, can you hear that? Can you see? Okay, so you just need to download the app from the Google Play or the the Google Play or the App Store. So and they install the app on your mobile phone. We are using now is a testing version. Its name is Chuya Smart, and the official Holtop app will be available soon. So now let's add the. Actually, I already added the units, and already show you how it looks like. So under the home page, we press the plus button. Yes, at the top of the corner, and actually I already added. Yes, from the top to bottom. Yes, you can see the supply air, fan speed. Here, supply air, fan speed. This one, exhaust air, fan speed, and also the local weather information, room temperature, temperature curves. But here, some of the sensors didn't connect it, so we can't see that. And also the different air quality data like the humidity and the CO2 value. These values only show if we connect it to the sensors. So at the bottom here, 我还得继续讲 at the bottom, right corner, bottom corner, there is a setting button. Yes, we can set the bypass lower limit temperature, bypass temperature range. You guys can see that? Okay. Okay, it's not very hard. It's very easy. Okay. So this kind of unit, the administrator can share the device to other users, like other family members. Yes. So just by inputting his or her account number. And by the way, can you notice only the administrator, I mean the first one who connected this ventilator can share the device to another users. Well, the other users cannot, they has no right to do this. Yes. So the above functions are very useful for most of the projects, especially in Europe, because we have so many units there. We develop this control system according to our customers' requirements, and most of them are from Europe. So in the future, if you have any requirements for the control functions, so welcome to let us know. We can consider and improve it for you, okay? All right, now we have talked a lot about the EcoSmart HEPA ERV. So if you are in the air treatment business, so this unit, don't miss it. It's absolutely a best optional solution for your projects. And if you are not in the HVAC business, now it's the right time, the best time for you to get in. And we have some limited stock of this unit available. So first buy, first service. Okay. I believe you already know detail or clearly know these features of the unit. So now I'm going to share you some tips about how qualified manufacturer. So okay. So ERV is an investment for your business. So you have to be sure you are choosing the correct one to fulfill your market and the budget. And we all know that a good supplier is one of the most important key factors to success. And by choose a good ERV manufacturer, actually it's not easy, especially for those who don't have they have no experience in the HVAC field. Okay, so there are several things you need to consider before placing an order. So firstly, I think you should know how long does this company have been in the ERV field. Generally, the longer time a company has been in the ERV industry, the more professional and competitive this company is in doing the production, especially for those who those companies have been in this field for more than 10 years. So it's easy for them to provide you high quality unit with moderate price and praiseworthy services. And second is what is this company's production capacity? As a professional ERV manufacturer, the workshop, I think they should have automated production equipment like the CNC sheet metal processing equipment, laser cutting machine, CNC punch processing, automated assembly line, yes, etc. So normally, the more advanced machine they use, the higher the production capacity will be. And it's much more efficient to deliver your order in time, to save your time for marketing, yes. And the third one is, what is this company's machining quality control? Quality is everything. Before placing an order, I believe you should know what this company's machining quality control, like do they have the 5S production line, test lamp, safety performance test equipment, yes, so on. And a qualified manufacturer, they will do quality control from raw material inspection to final unit checking. So this way they can provide you with the report and the certifications, yes, on time. And number 4 is do the overseas sales. I mean, this kind of company have a mechanical engineering background or engineer support. The salesman who can speak good English and has a mechanical engineering background or with great support from their engineers is much helpful for your communication. Moreover, it can save you lots of time and energy to get your order done right. And they will provide comprehensive communication between you and the production department. This type of salesman can understand your requirements better, so they can give you a piece of advice and follow up your order production more efficiently. So then your order will be done very smoothly, okay? And the number 5 is their quotation competitive? When you are looking for an ERV manufacturer, so probably the first 2 pieces of information on a quotation you are concerning most is the price and the lead time. And of course, we all know the lower price and the shorter lead time means the more competitive quotation it is. So to keep a proper profit, a smart supplier, they will always give you the most profit to their customers. They will be up to date with the producing to their customers. They will be ensure a very competitive price and a good quality by optimizing production process and improve their production efficiency. So by choosing this kind of ERV supplier, you can have the quality and the turnaround time you want with a competitive price. And the last point I will show you is the how is their after-sale services. After-sale service is very important. You should agree that except functionality, quality, the after-sale service are the key to success in the HVAC industry. So in order to get the market suitable unit, you should take a sample, a sample unit to check and test the quality, the function, the efficiency at the beginning. So once your back order confirmed, good after-sales service, they will keep you posted for the production process in time. Anyway, nobody could promise the good is 100% qualified. So once you meet any problem under warranty, a good after-sales service, they will support you in time. And your sales then will go much more smoothly, and if they are supportive enough. So the above 6 points, 6 tips about how to choose a reliable, qualified supplier of the ERV unit. I hope it helps when you choose your partners, okay? So now it's the question time. So welcome to let me know what you are concerning about, okay? Anyone can show me the questions?
What is the lead time of this product?
What is the lead time for these products? Okay, normally for the sample, the lead time, if we have it in stock, we can prepare it in few days. But if we don't have it in stock, it will take about 10 to 15 days. For the container orders, normally a 20-feet container will take about 30 days. Okay? One more.
What is the difference between ERV and HRV?
What is the difference of ERV and HRV, right? Okay, ERV named for energy recovery ventilator, like this one. It's energy recovery ventilator. HRV named for heat recovery ventilator. So they are both for heat recovery, but the ERV unit will go further. It's not only transfer the heat, but it's also transfer the moisture. So when the air absorbing, it will drop the humidity and they supply to indoor. So if you don't understand easier, let's make it simple. The HRV will built with a sensible heat exchanger. I mean the HRV with a sensible heat exchanger like the aluminum core. And the ERV built with the total heat exchanger like the enthalpy, the ER paper cone we use. Is it clear? Okay, move on. One more question.
What is the MOQ for ODM service?
What's the MOQ for the ODM service?
ODM service.
Okay. Normally we are manufacturer. We should go volume for the production to keep the production line running well. So normally we offer the OEM service have a MOQ of 20-feet containers. So by this way, we can offer you a most competitive price. We can print the logo, your brand logo, your menu, your stickers, your package. Yes. One more.
How many units can be packed in a container?
How many units can be packed in the container? Okay, normally we have 20-feet container and 40-feet container. Normally our customer will miss the models because we have the airflow range from 150 to 6,000 cubic meter per hour unit. So they will mix the units and for the container order. For 20-feet container, normally it can be held with about 50 to 70 units. For 40-feet container, it can be held with about 90 to 120 units. Okay, but this is just a reference. The specific quantity should be based on the model, the airflow you choose for the orders. Okay, since the time is limited for us, so welcome to send us more inquiries or questions. Our sales online will follow up your inquiry in time. Okay. Besides, we are holding a middle year promotion activity in this month in June, from June 15 to 30. So our new customers, if they place the order during this activity, you will get a special discount or some free gifts. Okay. So do not hesitate to send us an inquiry if you are interested to try and see how the things move on. Okay. Our sales team will send you the documents in time. So here comes the end of our live show today. So I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, let's keep in touch. See you. 32分钟，讲不讲？